Hello everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to find the limit of tangent s over s when s approaches 0. Alright, so this guy is the same thing as limit of sine s over s times cosine s, right? Because tangent s equals sine divided by cosine when s approaches 0, right? So this guy turns out to be limit when s approaches 0 of sine s over s, right, times limit when s approaches 0 of 1 over cosine s, right? Now, this guy right here equals 1, right? So I only have this one left, right? If you want to learn how to prove this guy, please check out the link in the description below. So this guy turns out to be 1 over cosine of 0, right? Cosine of 0 equals 1, right? So it will be 1 over 1. So the answer is 1. So this one equals 1, right? Now, if you have another way to prove this problem, please leave a comment and it's your time to stop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that if you failing to prepare, you're preparing to fail.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand